We will use the website and program BLAST to search for a protein and species from a given DNA nucleotide sequence. To do that, we use BLASTx, which uses the translated nucleotide sequence to match to a corresponding protein. In the query sequence, we will enter our DNA sequence. For example, here we have a DNA sequence of 318 nucleotides long. It consists of A's, T's, G's, and C's, which are the individual nucleotides that make up DNA. We will copy this entire sequence. And enter it into the query box. We'll hit BLAST. Now we are searching the database for a protein and species that matches that DNA sequence we entered. Here are our results. If we scroll down, these are the matches of the protein and species that correspond to the DNA sequence we entered, with the best match being at the top. So the protein is listed first, which is cytochrome C, and in brackets is the species, in this case, Orcanus orca, otherwise known as the killer whale. If we click on it, we will get more details. Here is the query sequence. So we have here the amino acids that match to the DNA sequence we entered. So M, G, D, I, E, and so on, each represent a single amino acid. And recall that there are 20 different types of amino acids. This amino acid chain is what folds together to make the protein. And in this case, it is the cytochrome C protein. The 180 stands for 180 nucleotides, which correspond to these amino acids. 315 corresponds to the remaining 181 to 315 nucleotides that correspond to these amino acids. Now note the identities. The identity value is the fraction and percentage of the amino acids given that match the entered DNA sequence. So it's the match between the query and the subject. So you'll notice here it's 105 out of 105, meaning that 105 of the amino acids from the given DNA sequence match with 105 of the amino acids from this particular subject. So it is a 100% match. If you scroll down, you'll see the other subjects that could be possible matches. For example, if you come down here to cytochrome C of Tursiops truncatus, which is a dolphin, you'll notice that the match is only 99%. So it is not as good of a match. So this is how we use BLAST to find a protein and a species from a given DNA sequence.